Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to understand wallet fees in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Understanding wallet fees in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet is crucial for managing your cryptocurrency transaction effectively. Here's how you can grasp the different type of fee associated with your wallet. Transaction fees are the cost associated with sending or receiving cryptocurrency. These fees can vary based on network congestion and transaction size. Second is dynamic fee. Unstoppable Crypto Wallet use dynamic fee which adjusts based on network condition. You might have option to set the fee manually. Third is swap fee. If you are using the wallet to swap one cryptocurrency to another, there may be additional fee associated with the swap. Another is gas fees for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. If you are using Ethereum or any ERC20 tokens, you will encounter gas fee, which are fee paid to miners for processing transactions on the Ethereum network. To get a better understanding of the current fee for various networks, you can use third-party fee estimation tools or websites. They provide real-time data on average transaction fee for different cryptocurrency. Keep updated with any announcement from Unstoppable Crypto Wallet regarding changes to fee structure or policies, as this can affect your transaction cost. If you are frequently using Unstoppable Crypto Wallet for transaction, compare fee with other wallet or services to ensure you are getting competitive rates. By understanding these aspects of wallet fee, you can make informed decisions about your transaction in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, optimizing your cost and ensuring a smooth experience. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.